Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video of unrememberedfirearms.com. My name is Mia Akalam and I am here at Varusteleka office with the new Moldovian SMG sniper rifle. Now, Moldovia is best known by its formula drivers and pickled onions. But this exquisite firearm should also be on the list. Let me show you how to take it apart. This amazing sniper rifle uses Sten magazines as the Croatian guns do.
Oh, cut. What in the hell? This is terrible. You are fired. Get out.
Can you, we need like, we did a short, it will be a short video joke, we need something for the Friday because we don't have time to do a short Varusteleka video.
Planning and you didn't already film it?
Exactly.